Okay, y'all, so here I have the Martha White pizza crust mix. You put the mix, half a cup of hot water. You mix it until it forms a ball. And then you add your vegetable oil. I made a mistake on this one and added the vegetable oil already. So I'm going to have to... But what happens is when you make the ball... You mix it up. I'm going to still add that teaspoon. Can y'all see? I'm still going to add that teaspoon of oil to it though. And then you cover it. So I decided to go ahead and use this bowl because it has a lid. Okay. It's real simple. And I'll put the top on it. I'm doing 3. Because I went and got the, and I'll show y'all. But I went and got the, pizza pans from the dollar store. I think these are the ones, once you wash them, they turn. But I'm going to just wash them and dry them at the same time. Alright. So that's what it looked like. I have one more to do. And you let them sit for about 5 minutes and they're going to rise. I'll be back. Here I have a package of rolled sausage, and that's what I put in mine. I use the rolled sausage, bell pepper, onion. I don't like mushrooms, so I don't do mushrooms. I don't like olives. And pepperoni. That's the only 2. I don't use bacon and all that. But I have found that the only pepperoni I like is the Hormel. I don't like the other kind. I had bought that. It was a mama something or something. I don't know if I made a video using it or not, but I did not like the taste. So Hormel original, that's what I get. And I got a video I'm gonna show y'all. What made me think to do the pizza is I got this cheese, 4 bags of this cheese for $5. So I said, you know what? Let me just get mozzarella. I can make a pizza real cheap. All right. So I'm gonna let this go ahead cook. I'm gonna show y'all. I showed y'all how I did the crust. All I'm going to do is take this meat and drain the grease off of it. I may even rinse it. I don't know. I'll see how greasy it looks after I drain it. And then I'll come back and show y'all how I put it together. It's real simple. I'll be back. Okay, but we're going to try this and see how it does. Had never used it before. So, what we're going to do here, it says to spray with non-stick spray. I am using olive oil spray because that's all I have. So I'm going to show you how I do one. I'm just going to put that spray on there. Okay, you take your dough and you lay it out on this pan. Now I decided to get a round pan because they just make it look more like a pizza, right? Okay, then you want to spread it so it's even because you don't want one part to have a lot of crust and the other part to just have a little. So you want to get it as even as you can. Okay, so okay, so now let me move it over. So now we're going to put our we're going to just prick it with a fork. The oven is set on 475 and you're going to bake this for 5 minutes. 5 minutes, you take it out and then you add your toppings and put it back in there for 9 to 10 minutes and you have a pizza. This Martha White pizza crust mix is only 79 cents. This was 168. This will probably do 3 pizzas. So, and then the meat I'm using was probably $7. Something like that. Alright, so I'll be back. Alright, so here's our dough. This is what it looks like when it's finished. So what you're going to put on here first is your pizza sauce, and it's the squeeze kind. I know y'all get tired of me hearing me wash my hands. It's just a habit. Ever since I've cooked in the kitchen, it's just, I come back from outside, I go from one area of the house to the other. Just something that I do. I'm not mad about it though. I'm glad I'm like that. It's just, it ain't been since the coronavirus. It's just all my life. That's how I was raised. Wash your hands, and that's what I do. Okay, so there's our sauce. Now we're going to add our cheese. Mozzarella cheese is what I'm using. And I like my piece of cheese. I didn't see the 2% milk mozzarella because I would have used that. I don't know if Kroger sells it. I know Kraft does. I love Kraft. Is my favorite. I usually try to get that when stores have it on sale, because sometimes you can get Kraft cheese for 99 cents. And I'm telling y'all, my freezer, when I find it, I stock up. Okay, so you put your sauce first, then your cheese. And the reason why you do it this way, you give your toppings a chance to get crisp. Okay, so I've already cut up julienne style onion and bell pepper. And I always start with my pepperoni first. Again, as I said, Hormel is my favorite. I'm not telling you, now pieces are not healthy. I guess if you get the turkey stuff and you make your crust, because you can make pizza crust with cauliflower. And I will try that one day. I'm going to try it. My daughter makes it. She says it's good. Okay. So now we're going to add some, I'm going to put it in a little bowl. Some meat. Some of the rolled sausage that I had. You could put bacon, you could put olives, you can put mushrooms, whatever you. That's the thing about making it yourself. I mean, you could buy it the way you want it to, but this is really catered to your to us. To you. And I had the salt out. I was like, I don't know why I got the salt out. Now I don't put no salt. Now if I get the pizza from Walmart, that pizza that's $8.99, $9.99, however much it is, at Sam's, I will add just a little sprinkle of salt and pepper to that one. I do. Is that too much meat, y'all? All right. Got that done. Uh-oh. My last dough needs to come out of there. It'd be too crispy. I'll let it go any longer. Okay. So now we're going to put our onion and bell pepper, and this one is actually going to go in the oven. Let's see. Let's find one. I tried to cut it up as small as I could. I don't. My son don't really like onion on his, but he can pick it off because this really gives it a good flavor. It really does. I try to do them as small as I could. So there is my pizza, y'all. What y'all think? That's cute. All right. Put it in the oven and I'll be back to show y'all what it looks like. Y'all, I'm back. Y'all know, after it cooked for about a couple of minutes, I'm going to add some cheese to it. Just a little. I want to tell y'all that. Okay, bye. Hey y'all, so here's my last piece. I just want y'all to see it. And I did go and add a little cheese back on the top. Just want to share. Have a good night. Bye.